I'm Chef Jeff, and I'm gonna be your chef for the day. Well, let's go to our foam taping. So let's prepare. First of all, we turn on the fan, because it gets hot when you're cooking. Well, then we go into the refrigerator, and we have food. Figure that one out. Whoa, it's a banana. Now, cooking with bananas is very fun. Oh, there, buddy, it's coming. Oh. Okay, well, we have a piece of banana now. And how should I say? We're gonna throw it in the fan. Ready? Oh, and that one hit the fan. Whoa, it's slimy like cabbage. Oh, and that one fell short. Oh, there, Captain, it left the mark on the ceiling. Oh, and we have a mess on the table. That's a banana. Okay, and Chef Jeff's about to sign out here. Stay tuned next time for Chef.